Sir, okay, sir, rolling.
Leadership, a massive protest was held against the union government. Sir, what is all this about?
We want to save democracy, we want to save constitution, we wanted to update that this type of whatever they are trying to misuse the ED, CBI and all, it should be stopped. Unnecessary, they are blaming, they want to demoralize the Congress party, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Our leaders will go strong, they never care. They have sacrificed their power, they have sacrificed their life, they have sacrificed their property for the sake of this country.
Fight will continue, sir.
Our strike will continue, our protest will continue. We are there to save that party. It is our bound responsibility to keep them alive.
So how will this protest continue in the next couple of days, sir?
We will continue. I will discuss with all my colleagues. We will go to the village level, taluk level, district level. We will continue this.
With respect to the Manrega, with respect to the name change of Manrega, sir.
They can't change their name. Can you remove Gandhi? You remove if you have guts. You remove Gandhi photo from the note. The Gandhi note is there now. In every this one there is Gandhi note. You remove it. Let us see. Huh? You can't remove. See? Can you remove this Mahatma Gandhi ji note? Name or photograph? You can't remove. He is the leader who has led the Congress party, who is the leader who was the Congress party president 100 years back. You can't remove his name. He is Mahatma Gandhi ji.
But the BJP says that they are remembering Ram, who was the god of Gandhi.
Ram, of course, we all tell no, but they have not seen Ram. We are also fathers of Ram, but at the same time, who gave you freedom? Who gave you national flag? Who gave you this constitution? It is the Congress party.
Done, sir. Thank you.
Sir, joining with us is Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar.